quickly before I get started, I'm apologising for the shadow, the massive shadow, my hair, because it's a mess. I just really need to get this done. So, let's get to it. I have a confession to make, and it's not one that I'm proud of. But what confession could you possibly make, Will? Well, it's to do with today, actually. I'm very sorry about this, but I don't like Bonfire Night. Oh my god, you monster! What are you talking about? Let me explain. I love bonfires. And that means that I often like Bonfire Night, but people are a lot more into the fireworks now than bonfires, I find. And here's where the problem comes up. Firstly, despite there literally being a set day, people don't all celebrate it on the same day. This year, the earliest fireworks I saw were a week before Halloween, and Halloween is almost a week before now, and that's almost 2 weeks before Bonfire Night. And I wouldn't mind it, because I'm fine with the bonfires, but the fireworks I'm not fine with. Call me an old man, but they're very loud. Not in a bad way. I mean, when you're watching them, it's fun, but when you're not, and it's almost midnight, and you want to sleep, they're not nice. Last night, which is the night before Bonfire Night, so still not Bonfire Night, so you shouldn't really be doing fireworks anyway, there were fireworks at 11:45. I was trying to sleep, because I like sleep, but I couldn't, because there were fireworks when it's not Bonfire Night. I understand that you may be going away, maybe, but no, you wouldn't be going away, actually. You wouldn't be going away for Bonfire Night, no one does that. And another reason I don't like fireworks is they've sort of come away from being a Bonfire Night thing. I mean, think about it. They have fireworks tons of times throughout the year. So why is this one day important in particular, fireworks-wise? I don't know. And there's a fireworks display that I go to every year. And it's nice, but, you know, I don't see why. Another thing is, so, fireworks are very bad for CO2. Now, in America they don't have Bonfire Night, but they have the 4th of July instead, and New Year's. And New Year's fireworks aren't as big here. But doing some maths, I'll put a link to my source down in the description below, this guy worked out that annually around 60,340 tons of CO2 is emitted by fireworks, and that's the equivalent of 12,000 cars in a year, or if 115,000 light bulbs were left on for an entire year. That is how much annually the US alone contributes to CO2 through fireworks. So they're bad for the environment as well. And bonfires, the exact same thing. I mean, luckily my neighbours don't do this anymore, because it was nice. But I had some neighbours that used to do a bonfire about every 2 weeks. And it made our garden stink of smoke. But yeah, I mean, if you've got tons of people each doing a bonfire, it's a little bit of a problem. Because greenhouse gases. By doing fireworks and bonfires, you are contributing to climate change, and that makes you a bad person. Now, this wouldn't be so much of a problem if everyone just stuck to the plain old communal fireworks displays, but even people that go to those often buy the personal displays that they then do themselves. Because, I mean, admittedly, they're cheap. I saw one for like £15 once, and I thought that's a pretty good deal. Given that communal displays, you normally go there and pay £15 to see it per person. But anyway, I'm getting off track with this. What I'm trying to say is, don't do Bonfire Night. Or if you do, just do it on the 5th of November. And just go to communal displays. Thank you. Quickly, another thing. Am I the only one that thinks it's weird that we celebrate the guy that ended up failing to blow up the Houses of Parliament by blowing things up? And also, why do we celebrate him? I mean, we burn him alive to entertain children. That's a bit odd. But seriously, if he had blown it up, it would have been really bad, because scientists have estimated that with the amount of gunpowder he had, not only would he have destroyed the Houses of Parliament, he'd also have blown up part of Westminster Abbey. That would be very bad. That would be really, really bad. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Ciao.